this grass. This is before. And we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Guess who's on the tractor? Say hey, Charles.
Hey!
What's going on? Hey, please comment. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Taylor's Pride Homestead. Here we go, y'all. TP Nation, I made a mistake today while cutting the grass. I wanted to go and get my tractor to clean up really around my trees pretty well. And I made a big mistake. Driving the tractor with the bucket, I hit my fruit salad tree and snapped it in half. I am so disappointed, y'all. This thing was loaded with fruit on it, peaches and apricots. It was loaded. I don't know if I can save it. I don't know. It snapped right there. Half the way up the branch. I'm pretty sure it's gone because I don't know if there's a bandage or something that you can put on this to actually make it, you know, hold tight. I feel like the weight is gonna make it snap even more. Man, I'm so disappointed. My fruit tree, I think it's gone, y'all. Was able to clean up around. Muscadines a little bit better. Got the fruit guard looking a little bit better, but my fruit salad tree, oh my gosh, I'm hurt. I'm so hurt. But that's a part of farming, you know. I guess that's a part of farming, but I should have made sure I had clearance with the tractor before. And look at the fruit on this thing. Look at the plum, the pear, the peaches. Hey, Charles. There's Charles out here. Say hi.
I'm riding my bike.
You riding your Spider-Man bike?
I can go. To the barn.
You can't go because you're stuck. Push it forward a little bit. There you go.
How do you do?
Now you did it, big man. Why you want to hit Daddy? So, peach tree is growing well here. I'm so disappointed now. My fig tree, check out the fig tree. The fig tree is growing beautiful. I broke this part last year, but it is growing. So hopefully, you know, like I said, the fruit tree, hopefully we can get it up. I'm gonna find some kind of brace and maybe put around it to see if it'll heal. Here's our pomegranate tree. This one is growing. This one over here has yet to bloom out anything just yet, but I know it's alive because the lives, there's small blooms coming out. I do see some small blooms now. But here's our other fruit salad tree, but it's an all plum tree. But it does have plums on it. As you can see, it does have plums on this one. So we do have one fruit salad tree, but that's all plums. I like the ones with the variety. There's our banana tree.
Then that tree is broken.
No, that tree's not broken. It's just got to be cleaned up. Our apple trees are looking good here. The pear tree is fine. Oh, but I'm so disappointed about my fruit salad tree. If anybody got some solutions on how can I maybe can repair this fruit salad tree, I know it's cracked in the middle, the trunk. Maybe if I can tie something around it, just to see if it gets stronger. The problem is because it's a variety of trees, that's not going. It's a grafted tree. It's not going to sprout out. It's not going to sprout out. So I may be at a loss on this fruit tree, but you know me, hey, you can always start back over again. Look at those beautiful peaches on there. Beautiful peaches. Had apricots on it too, but all of those are gone. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna tie some rope around this just to see if I can get it to stabilize. But I just know that part that's broke down there, that's not going to heal. And it's not like I can let the roots come up out of the ground because it's a variety of trees. This is a grafted tree, so there's no way that this is going to make it. So then we gotta chop this one as a loss, guys. It's 3 years of growth. 3 years it took me to get this far. Say again, Charles.
3 votes.
What do you want TP Nation to do? Comment, like, and what else?
And
Subscribe. Huh? Oh, I don't know. We're out here cleaning up. Want to say happy Mother's Day to all of you beautiful mothers out there, whether you biologically had a child or not, but you've had a helping hand in helping to raise another child. Happy Mother's Day to you on this awesome Saturday. I mean, it's just another day just to be alive. We out here working on the homestead, getting everything prepared and ready to go. I'm disappointed about my fruit tree. I'm very proud of this fruit tree. But it's my fault. Can't blame nobody else. It's my fault. Look at the plums on the ground. The apricots on the ground. Look at the little apricots. It had apricots on the tree. Plums, they're all on the ground. So I don't know. Apricot.
tree?
Yep, off the tree. It's loaded with plums. Yeah,
They're everywhere.
Yep, they're everywhere, Charles. It's all Daddy's fault.
Yeah.
So I don't know what to do. I did prop some metal right here to see can I hold it up, but I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. Maybe like once again I can probably. We're gonna see what's going to happen. But I know that as this comes up out of the ground, this is not going to be strong enough to hold the weight of the tree. And I don't know if I can, maybe cut this part right here out. Cut this out. Cut that part right there out, maybe. And maybe push it kind of together and maybe I'll wrap it with something. Hopefully it could go back together, but I don't know. I just don't know, y'all. I just don't know. My baby is she's hurt right now. And this is the main trunk too, with most of the fruit on. This is the main trunk that had the peaches. It had the peaches. It had, let's see, it had peach. It had nectarines. Santa Rosa plum, all on that one tree. So that's the game. The John Deere did it. The John Deere did it, guys. All right, y'all. Pray for me. Before we end this video, we want to say once again, happy Mother's Day to all of you beautiful mothers out there, and to you fathers, man. To you fathers who've been taking care of your children. Shout out to all of y'all for being just awesome. I pray that y'all have a wonderful weekend. I'm getting ready to shut it down. We got to get prepared for church tomorrow. Hey, I want to say thank y'all. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. If you get some ideas on how to save this tree, I really would appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. Have a blessed day.
Peace out.
Peace out. What'd you say, Charles?
Peace out.
Peace out.